As a child, my mama taught me about a man who lived for me. She said his name was Jesus, and he died to set men free. She said there were some cruel ones who nailed his hands and feet to a wooden cross on a hill known as Calvary. With my eyes open wide as I listened to the things my mom described, a crown of thorns upon his head and a spear that pierced his side. When she